What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. It's been a minute. Today I'm unboxing the iPhone 8. As you can see right there, I got the gold 64 gigabytes, as you guys can see, and we're just gonna open it. Basic stuff. Welcome to iPhone, Apple stickers, and yeah, no SIM ejector tool because it's not unlocked. And yeah, look at this. This is actually not my phone, but that glass looks so nice. So yeah, we have a nice glass back. I like the gold color. Yeah, there's really not much to it. So I'll put that to the side for a second. We get our earpods with the adapter, charger, cable, basic stuff. And move that to the side. And all of that. And get to the phone. Oh, you guys can see me right there. So I'm just gonna literally peel it off. First you can peel the back. Put that to the side. And yeah, that looks good. So I'm really just gonna power it on. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go over the setup. We'll just see. Okay, hello. I'm gonna do English. United States. Quick start. I'll set up manually. Okay. I'll be right back. So I got the password for the Wi-Fi setup. It says it may take a few minutes to activate the phone. Sorry about the TV. I'm in the kitchen filming. You guys can see it's a new background. So we're gonna do Touch ID. I'm gonna set up that later because, like I said, this is not my phone. I'm gonna click Don't Use right now. Passcode option. We're gonna do 4. We're gonna set up as a new iPhone. I'll do the Apple ID really quick. Okay, so I'm back. I'm doing the terms and conditions. Just gonna click Agree. Express. Just click Continue. We'll set up later for Siri. Share. True Tone. Makes a difference. Hit the new home button. I'm gonna do 3 so you really know you clicked it. Display zoom. We'll just do standard. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. Okay. So phone is activated. If you guys want to see a review on this phone, make sure you guys comment down below. But yeah, I like it. It looks pretty similar. I mean, there's really not too much except the wireless charging and the faster chip, obviously. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe also to the channel if you guys are new. Turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss out when a new video goes up. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.